Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. Greenhouse. When you see gardening programs, they always have a greenhouse. A friend or family member may say having a greenhouse can be expensive, and you look online and may be looking at the thousands to have a proper one installed at your home. But that is not true. You may not get top of the line. You can also buy kits such as this and have it used to have my baby plants hardened off. It's good practice to harden off your plants, which have only known the stable environment of your propagation area and have never dealt with the more wild swings of an outdoor environment. This is called the hardening off process, which simply means that you want to expose your seedlings to the outdoors for a bit before transplanting them permanently outside. This normally takes up to 14 days to harden off, so a good time to start the process is about 2 weeks before the last frost date, or 2 weeks before you're planting them in your own backyard. Find a sheltered spot outside for your brand new plants, leave the plants outside for a few hours the first day, increasing the time outside and exposure to sun and wind every day. If a deep freeze is expected, just keep your plants inside until you can go back to the hardening off process. Please like and subscribe for more.